In this tutorial, I'll guide you how to change your name on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be demonstrating the steps on the Facebook app, but if you're using PC, you can follow along as the steps are the same. Let's get started. Open the Facebook app and tap on three horizontal lines located in the top right corner. From the menu, tap on the settings cog icon. Next, tap on personal and account information at the top. Then select your name at the top of the page. On the name change page, you can modify your first, middle and last names. Keep in mind that once you change your name, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. Make the desired change to your name and then tap on Review Change. You can also choose the order in which you want your name to be displayed. To save the change, enter your Facebook password and tap on Save Changes. Your Facebook name has now been successfully changed. Please note that if you change your mind, you have the option to revert back to your previous name within 48 hours of the change. However, keep in mind that you won't be able to change it again for the next 60 days. If you don't see the name change reflected immediately, simply close and reopen the Facebook app. Your old name will be updated to your new name. That concludes this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing for more Facebook tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.